Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create memes and viral content with Gemini 2.0. So I will be on it and make sure you will have logged in with your Google account. I will just give them command that create image on AI cat, and let's see. So it will creating image for me which I give them command. So show here's an image for an AI cat. So what gonna do, I will just tell you the whole procedure. I will just tap on this download, and what gonna do, I will just save it into my desktop. So I will just give them name that triple two. And what gonna do now, I just created an AI image of cat. Now I want to description, and what gonna do, I will just upload image and selected this recent pic, which I just tab on it and ask to Gemini that tell me short viral description on this image, and let's see, it will creating for me. So here is a short and sweet is what gonna do, you will just copy it this you will see here are a few short viral style descriptions for this image. So short means that this cat is judging your life choice. So what gonna do, if I just go on my Instagram, I'm gonna just create a post, just select it and select from my computer, and I recently just add this AI cat pic and tab on next, again next. And what gonna do, I will be just simply copy this description and paste it here. And if you want to also get hashtags, so what gonna do, I will just again select this image, and I will just ask Gemini that tell me the most popular hashtags related to this image, and let's see, it will generating for me. So here are some most popular hashtags related to this image, and I want to just simply copy it. So it will say that these hashtags are used by millions of people on social media, and they can help you to get your image seen by a wider audience. So what gonna do, I will just copy it and simply just paste it, you will see. And I will just simply tap on this share icon. So this is, you can just create a meme and viral content with Gemini of using. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.